Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate shillong.
Kakanhon We Care Team Adventurers Group, kabalong kakanhon jong u Khalid Khan, u Uma, ka Suzuki Pariat, u Suresh Singh, baru Kailash Varma, haka arp kandai terik uya yang arajar arpo, kala Aiti arspa arpo prateli ki face shield, syau Myntri Rangbah Jelau Konrad ke sangma, kenang baka sorkar kandupla, ban Aiti pat syagi jaka aijing sumar bakin yada yalade, habaki sumar ya gino-gino gibreu ki besuba, baki ngat hau kenyang jingpang coronavirus. Yakini ki face shield, kani ka kanhon kala shna da kajing rap lang jong ginong tray ka Delhi Mistan. Hagani ka jukas ngi kani ka kanhon kala late Rusha Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong, ban Aiti yaki jain syaki kelung badang syukha, kenang bakin dub yo ban pong, hakum kani ka por bagi dukan kidang kang kerdep lot, na kajing penjari jong ka sorkar ya kajing kang kerdep yagari barok away. Yakum kini ki jain dangshen kani ka kanhon kala late ice ngob haru, yaki kelung ki badang syukha, ha Children's Hospital Pokse Shillong. Ban pentelun yakini ki kamle isen a ka We Care Team Adventurers kala ya trailang bat ki katto kani ki riu shimet bat ki wei ki bala ai jing kersyan ya kani ki jing tmu baba jong kani ka kanhon
nomor ni yo yakini ki forward message ya haki WhatsApp tikidon ki hospital kimdon ki jan tong bakin phongru ki khalung nomor ki dang shukha tikidukan ru khat ki khanglot tekin le thiet ka janjare ki ban yo tingi bede Nyelak kumdu kidan ki parok bajan-bajan tu badan ki dukaan ke tiki ngeli yashim ke ni ki janjuki tiki la dep ai kita ki janyi ti anda ngila dan in a team misong tingi la yo bon ta ki jan fresh cloth ken ndik tu second hand or whatever tingi salij ai ken shapo ngili hapo Children's Hospital cispat tu ki jan ti anda ngila lij ai tiki la mar ki jan chuma ngili ai ru ya dep saj hadi dang tu de ngisa pendrekyang yaki Andai nak periksa setiap hari plastik, tinggi salik air pada kikan. Ni perkat war beli kiki kelung bagi dang kaya. Tong kerjaan nak kena kimdan, kerjaan stop kimdan. Plus kaski gidang liya susu namar kiong ke saban ruka duna, kibakin sum kimyo, kitut brush ruki duna, nang taki colgate kimdan. Tinggi nak kaling jungi ngila perkat dikata try within these days ngin salik air. Ni kita ruk kijing dan kam jungki. Mar bentang ni perkat bihoi. Kadi ka lockdown kesan di ka jenjar bahaya ki banyo aki baro ngingim poi perkhat ba kita gijing duna kinwan ni perkhat bitang ka bam ne ingin yo ka bam ben ai kini ki ba duna hende ki gijing dan kam ki ba kini ki bre ki badang kha ye kini ki khonjong ki ni khem perkhat kata ondang ilai i ha ki group ba ki sen ba sobha si arab ingi ki jan khlung kini ki ter baret baria ngingim poi perkhat em kata hende onda kila sal create ha ki group tinggi saya kin ban perkhat amdei bangi jid ya ke Children's Hospital kinu ki biah ke group sibu ladanya yo ngilayo tiki message ki oyingi pek ni dan kam kita nak ne ke hospital kita dan kam ya kani ne kiwe ki hospital ki kem ai yangi ki jingtep ladaki ai we are very much ready to help them anywhere nomor kedi ke port bangi gidi ben ai ka ketika riang ya kinu be dan kam ka jingerap ngim dan kam ban shooting karu berkhat kaya beda ka pelajungi nak pelajungi berkhat bad nak deki parok biajan bad niru kia dunia lang hiki janjum katna baki yo ken TV ada team ngilawan ra anda ngilawan ra itu kijan tingi apet ngi sayali ai ken ngindang le susu nang le sakamaru ngindang betengi ka kambabha hot ngimtep ngimla ban ong kan nu ngila tong bakat ba ngidang la nginyele bit.
We saw on TV in the foreign countries, they were having these face shields. Kong Job said we must also do something similar to this. Then I researched on Google and I found that this is very effective because it acts as an extra layer between the mask and the people with whom you are interacting. So this stops the solid droplets coming. This is the face shield. I'll just demonstrate to you. And this is how it's worn, and it's kept at an angle so that breathing becomes easier. So this stops all the droplets, carrying when people sneeze or talk, the virus is carried through minute droplets. This acts as a barrier between the mask, an extra barrier, and protects the eyes, and the efficiency of the mask increases tenfold, they say. This we started just a few days ago, and Already we have made 250 masks which were given to Nigrims yesterday and 50 to the Children's Hospital, and now we'll be giving these more. Together we are working as a team. As I told you, they are team adventurers and Kong Job Sheila. Tomorrow maybe she'll accompany us also, and we'll be giving to the police department, to the health department. This is totally donated. No, we are not charging anything. It's totally free of cost. We are putting the money from our pocket. It was very difficult to get the materials. I had to run around a lot, find the sources, and with the curfew and with the lockdown it was a bit difficult. But we managed it. Where there's a will, there's a way. So it's a team effort. All of us have been working together. Also we have been giving, our team was giving cooked food also. We have given to more than 5,000 people already. For that also no charge. I mean, our team, We Care Adventurers, we have already given food to more than 5,000 people in Shillong. Only 5 of us. Khalid has donated, Umar has donated, Suzuki Parrot has donated, Suresh has donated, and I have donated. And my team here in Delhi Mistan, our workers, they were lying idle. I made them do this also. We have been working together. All of us have been working together. We also gave clothes for the children, newborn clothes. Somebody rang us that the newborn babies are having a problem getting clothes. And the children are very happy. I'll show you the photographs. The mother and child, of the newborn wearing the new clothes. They were very happy. And the masks, the doctors really appreciated it. Yesterday when we gave it to Dr. Topas, he says, this is what we really needed. We will continue as long as the demand is there. People want us to make, we will definitely.